Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make these little cute cow cupcakes. They're very beginner friendly. So this was the inspiration. I got it from Pinterest. Their place is called Little Peach Cakery. So first I frosted all the cupcakes, and it's pretty much the same process. It's just trial and error. I would stiffle and drag for the most part. They all look kind of different, but honestly I feel like they all turned out pretty good. And I tried to do black frosting, but it was super hard, so I just did brown. And then I put black sprinkles for the eyes, and then I dyed the fondant pink myself, and I made it more rounded so it looked like a cow nose. And then I made 2 holes for the nostrils with a fondant tool, and I placed it in the center. And then I made little ears. I also dyed it. It was pretty hard to get a brown color. That's the best I could do. And then I made a crease so it looked more like an ear. And I kind of angled it parallel to the eyes. And then this is the second cupcake. They're all pretty much the same, but I just wanted to show 2 for a better example. So again, I placed the eyes. And then here you can see me do the nose a little better. So I just roll it out into a circle. And then I press it with my thumb. Then I make sure to round it out. And then the holes for the nostrils. And then right in the center of the face. And then my dad made these little ears with pink in the center, which are cute, but I ended up doing the rest like the first one. So that's pretty much how I did all the little cow cupcakes. On some of them I also did horns. So this was pretty much all my cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!